Whoa! That is a naughty big finger.
Diddy Bots.
Mr. Diddy Bot says 1, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end. Today, when I say 1, 2, 3, I want you to say beginning, middle, end. Today, we're going to look at the sounds S, A, T, I, P, Okay, here we go. S, 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 s. 1, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end. S, A, T, sat, sat. Mr. Diddy Bot just sat on a chair. What a nice day to sit on a chair. Ah, 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 ah. 1, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end. T, a, p, tap, tap. Struth, that is a big finger, and it's tapping on the floor. One, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end. T, tin, tin. Oh, look, it's a tin of slop. Whoa, that is a naughty big finger. I. 1, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end. S, I, P, sip, sip. Ooh, it's a hot day and Mr. Diddy Bot will have a sip of his drink. 1, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end. I, pin, pin. Oh, be careful. That does look like a sharp pin. I wonder what you could do with that. Oh dear. Big finger, that was a bit mean. 1, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end. A, p, nap, nap. That balloon really scared Mr. Diddy Bot. He's still running. Mr. Diddy Bot, you should really watch where you're going. Ooh, too late. Now, Mr. Diddy Bot is having a nap. Today, we've learned the words sat, tap, tin, sip, pin, and nap. Well, it has been a busy day today. See you next time.
Diddy Bots.